If you're looking for the best welding gloves, you're in the perfect spot. Whether you're a professional welder or a DIY enthusiast, having the right pair of welding gloves can make all the difference in comfort, safety, and performance. In this video, we'll talk about the top features to look for, why these gloves stand out, and how they can make your welding projects more efficient and enjoyable. We've spent countless hours researching and comparing hundreds of products to bring you the absolute best options. So sit back and relax, because we've done the hard work for you. Don't forget to check the links in the description to grab your favorite gloves and take your welding game to the next level. Now, back to our main event. Number 5. The ARCCPATTAIN 16-inch welding gloves are built for durability and versatility. Crafted with heat-resistant material, these gloves are ideal for MIG, stick, or TIG welding. They offer excellent hand protection without compromising comfort, making them suitable for long hours of work. The CE certification ensures reliable safety standards, while the multifunctional design allows these gloves to double as general-purpose work gloves. However, they are not customizable, and some users might find the 16-inch size a bit bulky for precise tasks. Despite that, they are a fantastic choice for those seeking reliable protection at an affordable price. Number 4. The QIANGLEAF Cowhide rock climbing welding gloves combine style and functionality. Made from premium cowhide leather, these gloves offer a sturdy and breathable design, suitable for outdoor work, woodworking, and welding. Their Velcro-secure wrist ensures a snug fit, while the multi-purpose nature makes them a great addition to your safety gear. On the downside, they are not waterproof, and the lack of insulation may be a concern for some. Nevertheless, their durability and versatility make them a solid choice for various industries and hobbies. Number 3. The BSP Sapphire Cow Leather TIG welding gloves are tailored for precision welding. With a soft goatskin palm and reinforced cowhide cuff, these gloves provide excellent sensitivity and heat protection. Certified under EN 308 and EN 4.7 standards, they ensure top-notch safety and performance for both professionals and hobbyists. These gloves are unlined, which might reduce comfort for extended use, and their 34 cm size may not suit everyone. Still, their precision-specific design makes them a must-have for detailed TIG welding projects. Number 2. The ARCCAPTAIN Welder Gloves 14-inch deliver premium protection against extreme heat, rated up to 662. Made from goatskin leather, these gloves are designed for both comfort and durability. Their CE certification guarantees safety, while the multifunctional use makes them ideal for welding, scald protection, and more. The only minor drawback is their shorter length compared to longer gloves, offering slightly less forearm protection. Nevertheless, their high heat resistance and superior build quality make them a great choice for demanding tasks. Number 1. The 16-inch welding gloves for welder work gloves are the ultimate choice for heavy-duty tasks. Made from thick cow-split leather, these gloves offer unmatched heat resistance and durability. Their multifunctional design makes them suitable for welding, grilling, and even farm work. With CE certification and a size optimized for protection, they are a go-to for serious welders. However, their thickness may reduce dexterity for finer tasks, and they are not customizable. Despite that, they offer exceptional value and protection, making them the top pick for both professionals and enthusiasts.